pop bang.
A massive winter storm is threatening more than 150 million Americans in 25 states. Record snowfall in parts of Texas has knocked out power for millions and threatened to destroy thousands of doses of coronavirus vaccines. The storm has also shut down vaccination sites in the southern plains states.
Tonight, a record cold snap has turned Texas into a tundra. Flurries fell in southeast Texas, blanketing Galveston's sandy beaches in white. The extreme low temperatures spun up this so-called snow-nado in East Texas.
The ultra-low temperatures will last for several days, meaning that what becomes frozen will remain frozen for a long period of time.
The historic storm caused problems across the country.
Crowswing. And we lost power.
There we go.
There we go. Boom.
Yes, Hades style. Just keep going.
Just keep going. I knew it wasn't tail feather, but I don't know what else to do.
Yes.
We'll have a better chance at survival if we stick together.
We just need we need half an inch. That's still good.
We're blocking the hot air from rising up the stairway.
Oh, Mark's
Kirk's idea to put a blow mattress.
Boom.
Brilliant.
Come on.
Big guy shit about this shit.
Golly.
Jeez.
Alright, let's go get the. Now we gotta get our car batteries that we put out here so they don't freeze.
Car batteries.
So we gotta put that in the car, drive over to my house, get closed for a week because we're no idea when we're gonna be home.
A couple more days. I'm in our freezer. Usually we have cattle hanging from the ceilings in our freezer house. It's working good though. Right now it's 8. It's about 8 degrees, 7 degrees right now.
So we're just putting everything in the back of the trunk, sticking over to the house.
8 degrees. Put it in the back seat. There you go.
Back seat.
Yeah.
It's like an outdoor freezer refrigerator.
There we go.
Clean our dishes every night, and of course the one night that we don't, we're like, no, we're too tired. Pierce is keeping us up. We don't wash the dishes, and we don't run the dishwasher. That's actually the hardest thing to believe. Is I didn't run the dishwasher. I always run the dishwasher.
Look at that mountain.
Nothing's clean. So we're grabbing things to bring to my parents' house to then wash.
Mount Williams, right there.
All right, what else can? Do you guys have a good blender for smoothies? Please, a pan smoothie. Yes. Okay, he's gonna be nice and warm.
Just checking in on the neighbors, trying to see if they're okay.
That guy. Yeah, he is to the right. He is, as you face off to the right. Let's go find him. Yeah, he's got a girl about potatoes, his daughter, and I just said, so how do you guys do until we got wood? Until we're ready to do wood. He said, well, we ran out. My son's gonna go to Gainesville to get wood, and I said, well, you can take the wood there. I don't know,
Yeah,
car.
that's
This is
fine.
emergency.
Are they doing it?
I said he can have access to it,
Okay.
and he goes, oh, thank you.
Play on words. That has double meaning.
And so I just wrote this so that it would at least stay in the. I knew that's not it, but
Emergency
Emergency witches. Oh my god.
yes, that's not a thing. We all know that.
Just think of a pun.
So it was the same thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. How, Christina?
That's an emergency and a witch. I don't know. Emergency on Halloween. Wait, the ghost is so cute.
It's a ghost. It's a ghost. Playing Pac-Man. Pac-Man. Which doctor?
Which doctor?
If I could draw better. So I want to do a thing on top. And then a stethoscope.
No, because we didn't know which doctor.
And which doctor? I did not too.
was available.
Oh, that would have been, that would have been good.
Mom said ice cube brain.
Yes?
Ice cube brain. We all heard of that.
How about brain freeze? That could be one
All right,
too.
Brain freeze. We've never seen it. She always gets it every time.
And then I can't draw it.
What?
The background
I
is
have
that.
no idea. It's a big can of pop with ice in it, and I have no idea.
You look like a machine.
What's happening to his tongue?
Why is it looking as a do-rag? Here's a do. Of course, that's a poached egg.
I drew a brain that's scrambled.
Poached brain.
Sunny side up brain. Got it. I don't even know why.
I like this one.
Let's just see how good.
Not
people
bad.
draw.
Yeah, I don't know. I draw a lot of Mickey ears. Yeah.
Oh gosh!
Oh my.
What are
That's
those?
disgusting.
Oh my freaking gosh!
I'm scared. See,
blind.
written
At
on the
least
wall,
they're
you cannot
blind.
see. Yeah, that's better.
Your belly?
Yes.
I thought it was a pregnant person.
Here we go.
I never thought about it.
Wait,
Pregnancy
I almost
craving.
wrote that. I
'Cause it
almost
does look
wrote that
like-
for the first
Yeah.
one.
It looks like ice cream.
Yeah.
Pregnant.
And it ignored the hair.
And the girl.
Pregnancy cravings.
Yes.
Yeah.
All the food coming at her.
All of the food.
Here we go. Ready?
So House Hunter.
I was hungry.
Okay. So good.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's
Are you
actually
ready?
brilliant. Because the hats.
So I write house hunters, and then this is the picture I see.
Oh goodness.
Somehow we got a little mixed up.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Yo, it's blanketed with snow. This is Texas. Yo, it's cold. It's legit cold.